Welcome everyone to today's video. My name's Amit and this is a MAN TGE. Today is all about lighting and visibility. What we've installed on this vehicle is the laser lamp grille kit, and my word, what a piece of kit it is. We've installed it all the time here at CBS Automotive. It's actually the second one we've done until very, very recently. It is a really nice bit of kit and provides the ultimate in lighting for the front of your vehicle. Now, if you've seen our videos before, you'll know there are so many different kits and so many different vehicles that you can have these lights on, but today is all about the MAN TGE. Now, we are seeing loads of these vans at the moment for this similar sort of upgrade, and that is because the factory lights just aren't up to the standard. These vans are used for everything, whether it's a work vehicle or a motorhome like it is in this case. You are often in dark places in the middle of nowhere where you need the lighting to cope. So what we've done is we've integrated the laser lamps into the high beam feature of this car. Now, on most vehicles as well, it also works on auto high beam as well. So as soon as you flash your lights or the high beams, your lights will come on, illuminating the road ahead of you. They are a serious bit of kit. Now, as much as they will be useful, obviously in a dark situation, you might not want them on all the time, and that's where the separate thinking goes on at CBS, where we discuss with the client how they want it and how we actually install the product. It's not just a case of putting it in the car and saying goodbye. It is a case of taking care and dedication and the time to go through the install properly. So the way we have wired these up is so that you can actually have it on a separate rocker switch. So if you want to turn the lights off at any point, you can do. So if you're driving around and you just want to kind of be during the day, you don't necessarily want to light up the whole road in front of you, but you still want to be able to flash your lights, you can turn this off and isolate those lamps from brightening up. However, you can then, at the flick of the switch, enable them again, and as soon as you put on the high beams at the front of the vehicle, they will be on. It is a really nice and easy to use solution. And so when we are installing these, again, we take the time and care to just make sure it's right for our client. So that involved in this case sending them a few options for where the button would be located, worked out the best solution for them, and then went ahead and succeeded in that. They are over the moon, and they're actually a returning client from when we fitted their dash camera in the vehicle, but is a returning client that is overall really happy with the results. And at night, they're gonna be so over the moon. It's a really nice bit of kit to install, and the laser lamps, if you've ever actually held them, are a really quality bit of kit. Now, as well as the rear lights, there are so many options for other vans and vehicles, whether that be rear lights, side lights, roof lights, all sort of thing. There are so many different lighting options that you can add to these vehicles to really stand out in a crowd and find your way in the dark. But if you've enjoyed this short little video here at CBS about the laser lamps on this MAN, or maybe you have one yourself, please do get in contact with me and we'll find the right solution for you and your car. Whether that be a grille kit like this or a roof bar, whatever it might be, just get in contact and we'll find the right thing for your car. But I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and if you're looking forward to future content just like this, subscribe to the channel and like this one to let me know that you've enjoyed it. But I shall see you in the next video. Thank you.